Jump Desktop versus TeamViewer. Which remote access tool is better? Choosing the right remote access tool can completely change how you manage devices remotely without complicated setups. We'll look at Jump Desktop and TeamViewer, two popular options with distinct features. Jump Desktop and TeamViewer are both remote desktop applications designed to access computers from anywhere. The core difference lies in their approach. Jump Desktop focuses on simplicity and speed, while TeamViewer offers extensive features for business and support environments. Jump Desktop is a remote desktop tool that emphasizes ease of use and reliable performance. It supports multiple protocols, including its proprietary Fluid Remote Desktop protocol, which delivers fast and smooth connections even on low bandwidth. Setup is straightforward, requiring minimal configuration, making it ideal for individuals and small teams who want quick access without hassle. Jump Desktop supports Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, providing cross-platform flexibility. Its strengths include seamless multi-monitor support, strong security with end-to-end encryption, and efficient compression for responsive control. However, it lacks some advanced remote management features found in larger enterprise tools, such as session recording or extensive user management. This makes Jump Desktop best suited for freelancers, remote workers, or small businesses needing dependable, simple remote access without overwhelming features. TeamViewer is a comprehensive remote access and support solution widely used in corporate and IT support settings. It offers a robust set of features including file transfer, remote printing, session recording, multi-user support, and detailed access controls. TeamViewer supports a broad range of platforms such as Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android, ensuring compatibility across devices. Its cloud-based architecture allows connections without complex network configurations, and it provides strong security with two-factor authentication and end-to-end encryption. While TeamViewer excels in enterprise environments requiring collaboration and detailed session management, its extensive features can be overwhelming for casual users. Additionally, TeamViewer's licensing costs may be high for individuals or small teams. It is ideal for IT professionals, help desks, and organizations that need advanced remote support capabilities and scalable user management. Jump Desktop and TeamViewer serve different remote access needs. Jump Desktop stands out for straightforward setup and fast, fluid performance, perfect for users prioritizing speed and simplicity. It works well for individuals and small teams managing their own devices. TeamViewer, on the other hand, offers a richer feature set designed for IT support and enterprise collaboration, including session recording and multi-user management. This makes it better suited for businesses requiring detailed control and support workflows. The trade-off is that TeamViewer can be more complex to navigate and comes with higher costs. Choosing between them depends on whether you want a lean, fast remote desktop experience or a full-featured support platform with advanced controls. Jump Desktop is recommended for users seeking a simple, fast, and secure remote access tool without extra complexity or high costs. TeamViewer is ideal for IT professionals and businesses needing advanced remote support and collaboration features. Its comprehensive tools justify the investment for organizations focused on scalable and secure remote management. Choose based on your needs for simplicity or enterprise-grade functionality.